So I'm here to give a guest lecture because Professor Brunitis had a bone crisis or something. Anyway, turn to page 394. These are plants. They produce their own energy. They're plants. I don't care. They taste gross. These are horses. Again, dumb. Have 4 legs, no claws, just pounding hooves. But they're primary consumers because they eat plants. This rodent. He's gross. He eats plants and probably some insects, so he's technically a secondary consumer. He eats his food, but he's related to rats and mice, which are fun to play with, but gross. This is a hawk. This is a spicy bird. Birds are cool and fun to pounce, but not this bird. Stay away from this bird. And these are mushrooms. These are decomposers, I guess. They recycle all the nutrients of the things I kill, because I'm a hunter. And then these are food chains and food webs. Food chains show one direction. Food webs show all of the possible pathways.